Hello student, now we continue exercise 1.3. We completed the first and second problem of exercise 1.3. Now the third number problem. This is very important method to solve the simultaneous linear equation in two variable. The method is known as determination method. Determination method, or also known as Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. Why this method is known as Cramer's rule? The Gabriel Cramer, the Swiss mathematician, introduced first time this method to solve the linear equation in two variable. Therefore, the method is known as determination method or Cramer's rule. How to solve this problem, this type of problem by Cramer's rule? Let us see. The standard form of the given simultaneous equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are any real value. Here a1 and b1 not equal to 0 simultaneously. Here also a2 and b2 not equal to 0 simultaneously. Means एक साथ 0 नहीं हो सकते. This is the condition of this equation. How to solve? Means firstly, the any equation, simultaneous linear equation, we solve by this method following three important steps. The first number, to find the value of d means determinant. This is the formula to find the value of determinant. Here a1, a2, b1 and b2. The first to find the value of determinant. Now second step is to find value of d of x. In this case c1 and c2 is omitted. In case of d of x, this is the second step. a1, a2 replaced by c1, c2. Here c1, c2, b1, b2. Third number step to find d of y. In this case, b1, b2 replaced by c1, c2 means a1, a2 and c1, c2. These are the three important steps to find the solve the equation of linear in two variable. Let us start exercise 1.3 third number problem by Cramer's rule. The first number problem of third, 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y equal to 5. 4x plus 3y equal to 5. These two simultaneous equations given, we solve by Cramer's rule. How to solve? First, compare with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Now a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 10, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to 5. First step, find the value of d means determinant. Formula by a1, a2, b1, b2. Put the value according to A1 means 3, A2 means 4, B1 means minus 4 and B2 means 3. By the rule of determination, solve 3 3 ja 9 minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to minus 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. This is the first step. Find D. Now second, find D of x. D of x. C1, C2 and B1, B2. Put the value. The value of C1, C2 is 10 and 5. B1, B2 minus 4 and 3. Here once again 10 3 ja 30 minus, after minus bracket compulsory, 5 into minus 4, 30 minus minus 20, minus into minus plus, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. This is the value of D of x. Now third step is D of y. How to find? Here A1, A2, B1, B2 replaced by C1, C2 means C1, C2. Put the value. Here A1, A2 3 and 4, C1, C2 10 and 5. 3 5 ja 15, 4 10 ja 40, 15 minus 40 is equal to minus 25. This is the value of D of y. Now at last, find the value of given variable. Here variable is x and y. By Cramer's rule, x equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. The value of d of x 50. 50 upon value of d 25. 25 to the 50. Then d of y minus 25 upon 25 is equal to minus 1, and therefore the solution of the given simultaneous equation is 2 and minus 1. This is the first number problem of exercise 1.3 completed. Understood everyone, student? Now another problem. Total in this exercise 6 problem given. These all problems are same as it is. You can solve this type any problems. Okay. Now this is the remaining all problems homework for everyone.